Jax here. We will be making succulents. We will when we're done with them, we will try to sell them all so we can make our family some Christmas present.
These are the colors that we will be put in the succulents, and the two kinds of succulents that will be being put in these colors are Mother of the Thousands and Copperleaf Rose.
If you want to go buy some, they're $10, and like in the comments down below if you want to get one. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and let's get started.
Yeah, buy some merch.
Yeah.
Yep. Bye.
Ashley here.
Hey guys, fun fact, in case if you're wondering. So the succulents that we planted today, this is what they looked like a year ago when we planted them.
Hey guys, we have finished our beautiful succulents.
And here we are going to show you these beautiful Mother of Thousands and Copper Roses.
They're $10. Go, link in the subscription if you want some. Like, subscribe, get your merch, and see you in the next video.